So welcome back, Manuel Rubio here, Miracle Body and Paint. So you've got this difference between a repair of your home or a repair of your car and what the insurance company wants to offer. Remember that an insurance company is not an expert. They haven't studied construction, they haven't built homes, they haven't repaired roofs or bedrooms or kitchens. Those estimators are called estimators and adjusters that try to navigate what the repair expert needs through proof of pictures and procedures and engineer information that your manufacturer provides. All manufacturers provide information on how to repair your vehicles. It doesn't matter if it's a Toyota, a Hyundai, a Lamborghini, a Nissan, a Mercedes. Like there's instructions and directions on specifically how to repair any part of your vehicle, okay? For homes, contractors know based on the structure of the vehicle, of the home and their expertise, how to rebuild a bedroom, partial roof, etc., right? I'm not an expert in that field. I'm more of an expert in the automotive field. But this bill benefits both. It benefits consumers' properties. So I want to make sure you understand that it helps you with your home or your grandma's home down there in Falfurrias or your uncle's home up there in Lubbock, Texas or Midland, like across the state. It can help your family, your friends with their homes in Port Aransas, in Rockport, or with their vehicles, okay? And so knowing how to utilize the appraisal clause is important to be able to, first of all, to inform you, the public, that as of January 1st of 2026, you have the legal right to invoke the appraisal clause. That is huge. I'd like to go into that a little bit more on our next episode, so please stay tuned. Have a great day.